Most people understandably just support because we don't want to be only relying on fossil fuels. It feels better to use wind and solar if that's possible. Actually, the downside of it is that because it's variable, it means that our whole system is more vulnerable to potential pressure points or even blackouts, which is what we're going to talk about today.
And if I can be nerdy for a moment.
Please do.
There's another really big way that renewables are causing fragility to the system. So I don't know if anybody remembers studying physics GCSE, but you have your current and your voltage on the electricity system, and that's alternating current. It varies in a very supposedly regular wave shape. And this wave shape is literally generated by gas and nuclear turbines all rotating at the same speed. They rotate at 3,000 revolutions per minute, so that wave is varying at 50 cycles per second.
So that's how the voltage is created.
Exactly.
In the way that the appliance that you plug into the wall expects it.
Exactly. And we talk about the grid frequency. It's a really important measure within the electricity system. And that's what we mean by this nice wave that's changing at 50 cycles per second. Now, the difficulty is that wind and solar, they don't generate this. They generate direct current in the same way that a battery, if you go and buy a battery for your remote control, that is direct current. So that doesn't vary at all with time. It's just a straight line. So you have to use electronics to change it so that it can fit in with what's happening on the grid. And the trouble is, if you start replacing your gas and nuclear turbines with renewables, you lose the mechanism that creates this nice wave. And gas turbines are big, heavy machines. They resist changes to their speed of rotation. So you want them at 3,000 revolutions per minute so that you get your nice regular wave. If you take away the gas turbines and replace it with renewables, you don't get that. You lose a property called inertia. And that if you don't have that stable wave happening all the time, then that can lead to blackouts.